So once you have successfully completed the setup processes for the Limebox ShipStation integration, you should be able to now use the syncing functionality between NetSuite and the ShipStation account connected. So for the purposes of this demo, I have created this sales order. I have populated the necessary information, the date, email, the items, and under the shipping, I have populated the carrier as well as the shipping method. And under the ShipStation field group, I have selected the NetSuite ShipStation store, and I have ticked the Sync to ShipStation checkbox, which should indicate this order for syncing. So some of the other fields available in this section are this ShipStation sync error, which is essentially during the syncing process, any errors encountered will be posted here, which will allow the user to make the necessary adjustments, whether it's a mapping issue, a data issue, or just an unexpected error. You should be able to see it on this field. The sync to ShipStation date is essentially the date of which the order was successfully synced. So this should be populated once we have saved and the flow has run. The ShipStation tags. So for this field right here, this is a multi-select, and this solution actually features the ability to sync ShipStation tags. So ShipStation tags are tags created in ShipStation that allow you to basically add very visual, colorful tags on the order. So the way this would work is the ShipStation tags are pulled into NetSuite and they are placed in this field to be readily available for use when syncing orders across. Please note that when you're creating ShipStation tags, please ensure that these are created first in ShipStation and wait for them to be pulled across over into NetSuite to be used for any orders or item fulfillments. So for this order, I'll add these two tags. And some other fields available here are the custom fields. So we've exposed basically the three custom fields that ShipStation allows you to add. And you can essentially have someone manually input values here or create any customization which you would need in order to facilitate any kind of automation should you need it. So you could add, if you need the POREF number value on the custom field, you can add it here. If you need some other reference number or some other bit of information to be included in the sync, you are able to use any of these three custom fields. Once all the information is ready, just just click on save, and that should save the order. So once the order has been saved, all you have to do is wait for the next execution schedule, and the order should be synced across to ShipStation. So all the syncs, including the order sync and the ShipStation status sync, they run on a schedule with an interval of every 15 minutes, unless you have the webhook configured for the shipping status updates, in which case those are real time. So for the orders, these are always on an interval, so you would have to wait. For the purposes of this demo, I have waited and this order has now been synced across. So if we go over to ShipStation and perform a refresh over awaiting shipment, we should be able to see this order number, which is this one right here. And you'll be able to quickly validate that everything we have populated on this order has been pushed across. the address, the amounts, the shipping method, the service, and the items as well. Another thing to note is that the shipping tags we selected, the prime order and the test tag, have been successfully added to the order in ShipStation. So that is how the order sync executes. And please note that we are using the sales order since this is the selected transaction on our integration preferences, but this is also available on the item fulfillment record should you select that. So for the shipping status sync from ShipStation to NetSuite, we have found this order that has recently been shipped. And as you can see, the order is now shipped in ShipStation. And as per design, the solution can either have the scheduled flow, which runs every 15 minutes or so, that syncs across the shipping statuses over to NetSuite, or you could have the real-time webhook enabled and set up in ShipStation to push shipping updates as they happen in real time. For this one, for the purposes of this demo, I've waited for the scheduled interval to run. And if we view the order in NetSuite, you can see that the order is now pending billing. And under related records subtab, you can see that the item fulfillment was successfully created. On the item fulfillment record, in this case, for this account, they renamed it to the item shipment record. You should be able to see that all the information matches up with the ShipStation fulfillment information. So the ship date should be mapped. You have the tracking number, final fix test 2, should be all the items should be shipped. And under packages, you should be able to see the tracking number final fix 2 as well. So that is essentially how the shipping status is synced across from ShipStation over to NetSuite.